We have this circuit where current varies as Im e raised to power minus beta t sine omega t, which is the equation of a damped oscillation. We need to find the voltage across the capacitor as a function of time. So let's write KVL. So that will be Q by C minus L di by dt minus IR is equal to 0. So Q by C is voltage across the capacitor. So that's what we need to find. So that is Q by C, and that is equal to L di by dt plus IR. So I is given to us. So let's put the value of I, and we get this. So strictly speaking, this can also be given as the answer, because all these variables are known to us, and we did get voltage across capacitor as a function of time. But let us simplify this a bit further. So this term will become beta sine omega t. This will be omega cos omega t. So let's divide and multiply by root omega square plus beta square. So we can write this whole thing in the form of sine omega t plus alpha. Now about the other terms of this equation. So we have this term root omega square plus beta square, and we know omega square is omega naught square minus beta square. So this whole thing becomes omega naught, root of omega naught square, that is omega naught. And omega naught is, we know it is natural frequency 1 upon root LC. So already we see that this is a more comfortable term for us rather than giving the answer in this form. So what is the alpha here? So from here you can see, if we take beta upon root omega square plus beta square as cos of alpha, so beta upon root omega square plus beta square as cos of alpha, then omega upon this is sine of alpha. So that's why we have written it in the form of omega t plus alpha. And again, if you put the value of omega square as omega naught square minus beta square, this whole thing is omega naught, which means alpha is tan inverse omega by beta. So now this is our answer. He's also asking what happens at t is equal to 0. So we put the value of t is equal to 0 here, and we get voltage to be Im root L by C sine alpha. Now sine alpha is omega by omega naught. So we put that. Omega naught is 1 by root LC. So we do that and we'll get this answer. Alright.